Alright folks, let's do number 3 here. So a fly lands on the wall of the room. The lower left hand corner of the wall is selected as the origin of a two-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. If the fly is located at the point having the coordinates to 1 meter, so let's put that. How far is it from the corner of the room? What is its location in polar coordinates? Now this is more of a mathematics thing than anything else, folks. And I won't be, for now on these videos, I will do my best to cover it as much as I can, but keep in mind this is a prerequisite that you should have already learned when you're at this level of physics. So you have to put in some effort amongst yourselves, folks. And please, if you come to this channel, don't just come here just to pass the test. Enough of that shit, folks. Be better than that. And that's what I'm going to try and encourage throughout this whole channel, because I'm getting tired of the whole stupidity of the nation that people are becoming. I just want to pass the test. I mean, what is that, folks? Come on. Anyways, enough ranting. All right, let's get so this is going to be the this is going to be the x-axis, and this is going to be the y-axis. And if the fly is located at 2 and 1 meter, so that's like 2 meters here from the x-axis and 1 meter there. I know it's not to scale, whatever. I don't care. And this length is going to be 2, and the upper length is going to be 1. So this is going to be 2 and 1 meter. How far is it from the corner of the room? So corner of the wall is located as the origin. So the origin is what we define to be the corner of the room. So notice that right here, the relationship between a right triangle, which is right here, is going to be the Pythagorean theorem, guys. So we're going to do, for part A, the square root of 2 square plus 1 square, and that's going to be root 5. So root 5 is the answer for part A. So what is its location in terms of polar coordinates? So the radius, we just established that it's going to be root 5. So let's find the angle. And you can find the angle in a variety of ways, but I'm going to take 1/2 arctangent and get that angle. So I'm going to just put this in my TI-84 calculator, arctangent of 1/2, and the angle here would be 26.56 degrees approximately. So that's all, folks. Hopefully this is straightforward for you guys. Right, bye.